Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without a device help. So we should first open the control center and find here scan QR codes icon. If you don't have this icon like in my case, you should open first the settings, then tap to control center, scroll down to more control section and find here code scanner. Click the plus icon to add the code scanner to your panel. After that, open the panel, tap to this icon, and now we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Be sure that you are connected also to the internet, and after that your device will automatically open up this QR code. So this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.